Katie, what do you think of the road trip so far?
Good. Really fun just to sit down, go out on the snow, but I didn't get out. That's my afternoon snack. But still to go for a good road trip.
Charlotte, have you liked the road trip?
No.
No.
And one thing, I see an awesome church.
What did you guys think of those roller coasters we passed a while back?
Those were awesome. I want to ride one.
Yeah, were they crazy though? Too scared?
I've already ridden a roller coaster once.
I don't know. Can't see.
Yeah, the roller coaster. 2 miles. Awesome. Cool. I'd rather ride. Awesome.
There's a Walmart.
Ride a roller coaster.
What is over there? Looks like we're getting off the freeway. Must be almost there.
Wait. Where are we going?
Let's let the camera tell us. Well, have you figured out where we're going yet? Because the camera hasn't. There's your exit.
Maybe we should go to the beach.
Disneyland! Disneyland! I knew Disneyland was in this state. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it.
You think we're going to go there?
Yes!
What makes you think we're going to go there?
Gosh, I don't know what's at the Disneyland exit.
Katie, what do you think?
Disneyland! Disneyland! I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Disneyland! The exit on Disneyland. No, exit, that takes us to Disneyland. Disneyland! 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 Dynaco Polar.
Dynaco.
Dynaco. I want to go to Disney.
You want to go to Disney Channel?
This all looks like Disneyland. Take a picture of daffodils.
Daffodils? That's what you want me to take a picture of?
Yes, my cousin wants to look at daffodils. We always bring pictures of real daffodils in.
Hey guys, what'd that sign say?
Disneyland Resort. Oh my gosh, are we gonna sleep there? Sorry, Lottie. Too excited here. I'm not ready to chop up my head and throw it out.
Charlotte, do you want to go meet a princess?
Yes. And
Do you want to go to a castle?
I can high five Mickey. Oh my gosh. Tower of Terror. I think I see the Tower of Terror. Oh, no wonder Mommy had me bring my camera.
I don't know.
Oh, no. I already
Follow the
took
signs,
a
ignore
few
them.
Pictures. Oh, I love
That way?
I love
That way? That way?
I'm gonna get my camera and book out. Apparently, we're not going to
Guys.
Turn right at Magic Lane.
because we're going now.
What do you think? Give me that one more time. What do you think?
Yeah! Yay! Disneyland! Disneyland! Disneyland!
Well, what do you think?
Disneyland!
Is that a good surprise?
Awesome! Yeah! Oh, it's a big surprise! Good!